Hey folks, Paul here from the Power Lodge. Not so much of a tip this week, but just wanted to give a little breakdown on how we rigged the Power Lodge's demo boat this year to see if it give you a little insight on the things you can add to your boat when you buy it or rig it. Starting up on the bow, new for this year, we did the Minn Kota Fortrex, the 112. This is the new 36 volt Fortrex. One thing we did when we rigged this boat is with the new electronics, regardless of brand, is a lot of the sonars now have gone to side scan or structure scan. So when we ordered this, I specifically ordered it without the built-in universal sonar so that I could run this nice transfield shaver with my side scan, down scan sonar. This year we went to a 21 foot, tons of storage, big center rod tackle storage, more tackle storage on one side, plenty of storage here, another small storage, and our cooler. The electronics on this boat, this year we were fortunate, we went with the biggest we could. Like a television set, if you can afford the biggest, get the biggest. You'll be glad you did when you have them. So we've got a pair of Touch 12s here from Lowrance. You can go smaller, but what's really nice is regardless of the size is they have the networking capabilities. This sonar or the front one will share all their data, waypoints, sonar, engine information. This particular one has the Sonic hub, so it's got the radio built in. But regardless of the size, having them networked is a really nice feature. The other thing with this boat is horsepower rating. This boat's rated for a 250, and we went to a 250 Evinrude E-Tech. And then this year, this is the first time we've had a Talon on a boat, and that is a really nice feature.